going to the diamond party. But this time we had to get all dressed up because right after the diamond party, we have a wedding to go to. One of our best friend's daughter, Jenna, is getting married, and Pat's gonna do the officiating for the wedding. I'm very excited.
There you go. This is
You look
formal
so
night.
nice.
Just kidding.
Yeah, you look nice.
It is formal night, but I'm not wearing this.
Yeah, because it's only 11 o'clock right now.
Right. All right. We'll see you there.
Ourselves. Is that all good? Alrighty, amazing. Well, first of all, I'm Shawnee, your entertainment director, all the way from the sunny island of England.
Oh, sunny.
Sunny, that means it rains every day.
That was coming on the shoe.
Hello. Pulled pork, little mini burgers, coconut fried shrimp, mac and cheese.
I think they use the logo from the big sheet. They use the logo from the other big sheets.
Good evening. Long day.
Long day. It's a nice day though, a happy day. We went to a wedding.
Well, someone got married. Is it really a happy day?
Pat did a really good job. I'm very, very happy. I was proud of my husband. He looks so handsome. But now we're all, no, not all. Him and I are down here by the casino bar waiting for all of our friends to get here until we go to dinner at 6. Right, Patrick?
Yep. All right. So anyway,
We're going to dinner.
we're going to dinner and we'll bring you the menu right about
It's formal night.
now. I got crawfish fettuccine and a mushroom soup starter. I got the prime rib, and I got the salmon. I got a banana split for dessert. Terry got cookies with a happy face. That time.
We need to make some more.
You want something?
Everybody's enjoying Terry's hats. Thank you. Good evening. She's got ducks.
I got ducks.
She's giving away ducks, but
Yeah,
she's
I got
taking
ducks.
ducks.
Yeah.
I don't get it. Anyway, it's that
I
time.
love ducks.
It's been a long, long day, but a fun day, happy day. And
Ducks.
we gotta go to bed. Cozumel tomorrow. Going to Mr. Sancho's, but it's supposed to have 85% chance of rain, so just our luck.
Today was a wonderful day. We cheered a couple who got married, and they're going to be amazing, and they're going to build a wonderful future together. Cheers to Brandon and Jenna.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Life is good today.
Always.